Hi, CJ Wells, property manager. We're back here with Kyle from Gen3 Roofing. So we just came down from the roof of a typical rental that we manage for a landlord, and now we're going to look at more about the gutters. Okay, Kyle, take it away.
How you doing? Kyle with Gen3 Roofing. So just as I stand here, I love these lower ones that I can just reach up and touch. But this gutter here is actually mitered correctly. This is exactly what we would install on any of our jobs. If you look on the house property, this is actually done probably a couple of years after or before. But they actually have store-bought corners, which fail a lot frequently. They have store-bought corners on the inside miters and the outside miters. What we like to see is we actually like to see the roofers and gutter guys bring that together, and it just causes less likely to have a leak in the future. So that's done correctly. This is done not incorrectly, but maybe subpar. This is, let's see here. These are old steel gutters, 5-inch, K-style, very common. It's what we put on. It's what we recommend. In some cases, bigger houses, big roof lines, maybe a 6-inch gutter is what's going to be needed. But this house is perfect for 5-inch and 2x3 downspouts. So let's go ahead and look at some of the downspout.
Okay, and that'll be our next video. Stay tuned. This is CJ, property manager. Bye.